as you can see in the 2013 Crosstrek, there's not a whole lot of light in the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this KC Cyclone in here, and then I will show you what it's like after. Alright, welcome back to the video. In the 13 Crosstrek that has no lighting, we added the puck light courtesy of Rugged Overland, and all the descriptions and links will be in the video, and we'll see how this looks. Here we're back, got the light installed. Let's take a look. Gotta unlock. Shout out to Rugged Overland for the KC Cyclone. I'll put a link in the description. But there it is. Excuse the mess. And you have the Cyclone up there. You still have the OE light. Basically, I ran everything through from the stock light up through here, up in and around. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, KC highlights Cyclone. I will put a link in the description below. $34.99, ruggedoverland.com. Go get you one.